Hi everyone, and welcome to my little creative corner. Today's painting is an acrylic seascape. The best thing about this painting is that it's very easy to create, yet the end result looks extremely intricate and beautiful. So if you want to see the finished painting, do keep on watching till the end of this video. Also wanted to say that if you're new here and you're visiting for the very first time, please do consider subscribing, and if you like today's video, do give it a thumbs up. And now let's get started. All the colors, the brush sizes and all other essential information will be available in the description box below, so do check it out for reference. As you can see, I'm using two different sizes of flat brushes to just unevenly spread out the paint on the canvas. So at this point, make sure that you're not blending the paint too much, just laying it out on the canvas. The beauty of this painting lies in its somewhat bolder and strong brush strokes, and you can achieve that by not blending in the paint too much at this stage. So keep on doing that till you have laid out all the paint. Here I have washed out my brush because this color is in stark contrast to the blues that I was using up. So I've used a clean brush at this stage. Adding in some darker contrasts, so I'm using dark blues and greens and just creating some more contrast and dimension. Again, just apply the paint very loosely, you don't have to blend too much. I'm enhancing the white bits of the waves a little bit further, as you can see. So just directly applying the paint and once again using the same technique, just stippling the paint on the canvas. Now at this point I'll start using my palette knife, so just to enhance the shadows and the light a little bit more. So using the same color palette, I'm just going to use different colors and wipe off my palette knife each time and then just apply the colors on the canvas over the already applied paint. So I'm applying the darker blues and greens as well as the lighter blues, and I'm also going to apply bits of white paint in the same way. So just dab your palette knife onto the canvas gently without applying too much pressure, and that creates a really cool effect with lots of texture and also gives it a very nice look. Just enhancing the shadows a little bit over here. That is how the waves appear when you actually look at the beach or any photograph. So I'm just using a darker mix to create a little bit of a shadow at this stage. And that's it, we are done. See how easy that was. So now you can see the finished painting. And doesn't it look really beautiful? I hope you all enjoyed this video. Do let me know in the comment section below how you liked it and which kind of videos you would like to see more of. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more such videos every week. I'll see you again soon. Until then, take care. Bye.